Now that we've configured our GitHub repo to require pull requests to introduce change, we're going to walk through the process to actually make one of those changes. So we'll make our first pull request in this clip. First, we'll create a branch or fork as a place to actually initiate the change. Then we'll make some changes to the actual documentation source, and following that, we'll use our git source functions to commit the changes and publish to a new remote branch. At that point, we have code and a remote feature branch that we want to get into the master branch, so this will be the point where we can make our actual pull request. Let's do it. To start the process to create our pull request, we're still in the master branch, but we should make our change in a new branch just for our new feature or change. To change branches, we can click the current branch name in the status bar of VS Code. We then see that we really don't have any other branches, but we have an option to create a branch. I'll do that, and it will prompt me for the name of a new branch, which I'll call Shiny. You can see that the status bar now shows Shiny as my current branch and a little cloud indicator that says my branch doesn't exist remotely yet. At this point, we can make our Shiny new change. When we do that and save the file, we have a pending change that we can commit. Remember, this is still a local commit in our Shiny branch. To push our change remotely when the remote branch doesn't yet exist, we can use the Publish Branch option from the Git menu. It seems that that was successful, so let's go check GitHub and see how things look there. So here I am back on GitHub inside our Coding with Kids repo, and I see a new little banner that shows me that I just pushed the Shiny branch, and it gives me a big green button to compare and pull request. This is exactly what I want to do, so let's push the button. The title of the PR will default to the commit message I made locally, but we can change it here if we want. In the description, you might want to put some rationale or justification about why you're submitting the pull request so that any reviewers will have better context of what they're reviewing and why you're suggesting the change. Then we go down to the bottom of the page and use the green button to create the pull request. Simple as that. We then see some ominous looking notes like review is required and merging is blocked. We'll address these in the next clip where we'll discuss the approval and review process for pull requests. See you there.